is every morning. Trust me.
Got your breakfast, Miss
Wait.
Graves.
What did you order?
Oh, Rick.
Come on, what did you order?
I ordered grapefruit, croissant,
And what?
prunes.
Well, ask him what he's got. Go on, ask him. Bet he can't tell you.
What's for breakfast?
Some kind of breads and fruits.
I'll be right there. Rick, please pull up a chair, sit down. I'll share my prunes, and then you can tell me all about this.
Don't take the chain off the door, okay? Just rattle it like you're gonna take it off. Make him think you're gonna take it off.
Oh, yeah, you mean like this? Is that good?
Yeah. This is funny to you.
Oh, God! Oh, God, get with me!
You did it! Come on upstairs. Hurry up.
Oh, I can't do this,
Upstairs.
Rick.
What are you talking about? This is what Lee Iacocca does.
Oh, I'm very scared, Rick.
Since when did you start wearing underpants?
Rick, do I get to know what's going on, or do I just get killed for old time's sake?
Come on, follow me.
Rick, I gotta know what's going on.
Yeah, well, so do I. Look, I'm supposedly being protected by the federal government, but I think they're trying to do me in, you know?
Who are those men?
Ex-drug enforcement agents. When I sent to jail, the other knows I can send them, and they want me dead, and they'll take whoever's with me, all right?
Why?
Why? Because I testified against them, that's why.
About what?
Well, it's a long story. It's God!
Rick?
Shit. This is not a good time to be talking about this, Marianne.
Help! Oh, my God!
Been through marriages and mishaps and they were out to have
Hi!
Good morning. Good morning. How are we doing today?
Oh, I'm so hungry. I gotta get out of this room.
You can't go back to the room. It's too dangerous.
Oh, I gotta change my clothes, Rick.
No, we'll buy some, okay?
This isn't a dream. You're in such deep shit. You owe me an explanation.
I promise. Just get me out of here. I'll tell you everything. I promise you. No, don't tell me.
No keys. Gotcha.
You're a weenie with you.
Get the heat out of my face.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Okay.